Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this mouth-watering goat meat and cow meat pepper soup or light soup recipe with you all. And I'll be pairing this soup with my fufu. This is authentic Ghana fufu, and trust me, this combo was just perfect. And so if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. To begin with, I'll start by cooking my vegetables, and so I'll be using some pepper, fresh tomatoes. I will also use some garden eggs as well. To that, I'll add in one medium-sized onion. I'll add some water to it, cover it, and allow it to cook until the veggies is soft enough for us to blend. Alright, so while the vegetables is cooking, I'll go ahead and start to steam my proteins. And so as I said, I'm going to be using some fresh goat meat and some cow meat. So I've washed these proteins very well. Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to be seasoning my meats. And so to seasoning this meat, I'll go in with some chopped onions, blended garlic and ginger. I will also go in with some garlic, ginger and onion powder. Next, I'll add in some cow meat seasoning powder and some goat meat seasoning powder. Moving forward, I'll add some tomato paste. You can as well go in with the fresh ones if that is what you want. Okay, add some salt to taste, cover it and allow it to cook in its own juices until the meat is nice and tender. So after 10 minutes of cooking it, as you can see, it has released a little bit of water, but the meat is still not ready. So I'll give it a gentle stir. Make sure to stir very well. Cover it again and allow it to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and afterwards your meat should be soft enough for us to add in the rest of the ingredients. So after 10 minutes again, this is how it looks like. It's looking all juicy and just perfect. So moving forward, I'll go in with my blended ingredients, which is the garden eggs, pepper, fresh tomatoes and the onion, which I cooked earlier on. Okay, I will go in with a little bit of water. The water you add to your soup really depends on how light you want your soup to be. Okay, so I'll give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. But since I love sweet things, I'm going to go in with extra mackerel, and trust me, this mackerel really took this light soup to another level. Trust me on this one. I hope you're going to try this combo and you are going to love it. I'll give it a good mix. At this point, it is almost done. So I'll cover the soup for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and afterwards the soup should be ready. And after 15 to 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. Do you see how delicious and beautiful this soup came out? So now all that is left is for us to enjoy this soup with our fufu. You can also enjoy this soup with any swallow or anything that you can enjoy this soup with it. Feel free to enjoy yourself. Okay, all right, so now at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And also, if you enjoyed this video to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Please do to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.